Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from algebra. X plus 1 over x is given to us is square root 3. Then it is said to find this sum. Let us say required sum is S. I will consider x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 S1, x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 S2, x power 30 plus 1 over x power 30 will be S6. Now we have to evaluate S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6. So I am taking our known equation x plus 1 over x equal to square root 3 and we'll be squaring both sides, and then we'll consider x plus 1 over x whole cube both sides equal to square root 3 whole cube. We will get x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 equal to 3. So from here we will be writing x square plus 1 over x square value will be 1. Here we will use a plus b whole cube identity and we will get x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x, which we will write 3 root 3, and root 3 cube is 3 root 3. Now we will subtract 3 root 3 from both the sides and we will get x cube plus 1 over x cube 0. Now we are going to multiply these two equations to get the value of S1. So let us multiply these two equations. We will get x square plus 1 over x square times x cube plus 1 over x cube equal to 1 times 0, which will be equal to 0. Let's multiply both the brackets. We'll get x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 plus x plus 1 over x equal to 0. Now x plus 1 over x is square root 3. So here we can write square root 3, which we will take to the RHS to get S1. So I am writing here S1, which will be equal to x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to minus square root 3. Now we have to calculate S2, which is x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10. We will square this equation. So I will write here x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to minus square root 3. Now we will put power to both sides. We will use a plus b whole square identity and we can get x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 plus 2 will be equal to 3. Now we have to subtract 2 from both the sides. Plus 2 and minus 2 will get over. This is our S2. So we will write here S2 equal to x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 will be equal to 1. S1 is minus square root 3. S2 is 1. Now our target is to find S3, which is x power 15 plus 1 over x power 15. So we will consider x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to minus square root 3 equation. Now we will be cubing both sides. We will put power 3 both sides. We are going to use a plus b whole cube identity. In LHS, we will get x power 15 plus 1 over x power 15 plus 3 times x power 5 times 1 over x power 5, which will be 1, times x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5, which we'll write minus root 3, and in RHS we'll get minus of 3 root 3. So these two terms will get over. We are going to write here S3 will be equal to x power 15 plus 1 over x power 15 equal to 0. So here we have S3 value. S1 is minus root 3, S2 is 1, and S3 is 0. Now target is to find S4. So I will consider here S2 equation. I will write x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 equal to 1. Now we'll be squaring both sides. We'll use a plus b whole square formula here, and we can write x power 20 plus 1 over x power 20 plus 2 equal to 1. This is our S4. So we can write here S4. S4 plus 2 equal to 1. S4 will be equal to 1 minus 2. So we can write S4 will be negative 1. Now we have to find S5 and S6. So I will consider two equations. X power 15 plus 1 over x power 15. This equation is equal to 0. Then we'll consider x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 equation, which is our S2. Value is 1. Now we have to multiply these two equations to get the value of S5. X power 25 plus 1 over x power 25. Let's multiply both the equations. We will get x power 15 plus 1 over x power 15 times x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 equal to 0 times 1. Let's multiply term by term. We'll get x power 25 plus 1 over x power 25 plus x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5. RHS will be 0. Now this is minus square root 3. So we can write here S5. So S5 minus square root 3 equal to 0. From here we will get S5 value square root 3. Now target is to find S6 only. So we will consider x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10, which is equal to 1. Now we will be cubing both sides to get S6. Let's apply a plus b whole cube formula. We'll get x power 30 plus 1 over x power 30 plus 3 times x power 10 times 1 over x power 10 will be 1. X power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 is again 1. Will be equal to 1 cube is 1. Now this is 3. We will take 3 to the RHS. And this is S6. So I can write S6 plus 3 equal to 1. We'll subtract 3 from both the sides. So S6 will be equal to minus 2. I can write S6 will be equal to 1 minus 3. S6 will be equal to minus 2. Now we will write S1. S1 was x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 minus root 3. S2 x power 10 plus 1 over x power 10 1. S3 x power 15 plus 1 over x power 15 0. S4 x power 20 plus 1 over x power 20 minus 1. S5 x power 25 plus 1 over x power 25 root 3. S6 is written here minus 2. Now we have to add all these sums. So I can write S will be equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5 plus S6. We will write here minus root 3 plus 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus root 3 minus 2. Minus root 3 plus root 3 plus 1 minus 1. So there will be minus 2 left. So our final answer becomes sum will be equal to minus 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.